What's your question, Nathan?
Do turtles breathe out of their butts?
There's no easy way to put this, but yes, we actually call it getting the bubbles. Yeah. And the weird thing is, like, dude, I'll be honest, the water's so warm, we don't even know when it's happening. All of a sudden, it's just...
This way, guys. Come on in. Just come all the way up to the left side of the theater, please. To the end of that row. Swim to the end of the row, guys. As you're coming in the door, you take the first row. No smoking. And no flash photography. Thank you, guys. Okay, everyone. This equipment right here inside the window, this is called a hydrophone. The hydrophone is going to allow us to listen beneath the seat today. And we do have a special guest we're listening out for. If you know who that person is, please shout his name out. That's right. Now, Crush is going to come here. He's going to ask everyone some questions about the human world. While you're sitting here, think of a question you can ask Crush about the turtle world. He's out surfing, having fun. We're going to get him to come out by saying, "Hey, Crush," on the count of 3. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Check out the double aerial with a classic 360, dudes. Whoa, no way, dude, look at all the humans in the human tank. Hello, human dudes. I was gonna say, wake up. Oh, dude, you brought the grommets. Whoa, look at the hatchlings. Dude, everybody's just kind of chilling sub-level, dude. I want to talk to one of these little humans. Dude, you know what? Right up front, there's this little dude with like dark fur and like a little like goofy ball on top of the noggin. They're holding this little book in front of them. Hey, what's up, dude? What's your name?
Elisa.
Hi, Elisa. Dude, are you having a good day today?
Yeah.
Sweet. What little one? Dude, how old are you?
5.
Whoa, 5 years old. Dude, you just hatched. That's awesome. Who brought you here today? Mom and Dad chilling with the rentals. Nice. Dude, where are the little ones? Piranha units. Raise a fin, dude. Where are you at? Oh, dude, look at you rocking your independence. Oh, they're all the way back here. Oh, let's go talk to them. They look nervous. Hey, what's up, dude? What's your name?
Alejandra.
And is this your little one up front here?
Yes, she is.
Awesome. How many little ones did you bring today?
2.
2! Oh, rock on, dude. What's up, little one? I got 65 myself. Dude, it's okay though. I see that look. It is not a contest. Little ones, did they ask you tons of questions?
They do.
Oh, but dude, when they do, isn't it kind of awesome teaching them the ways of the world? Dude, we shared a moment. That is why I'm here, dude. just the other day, my youngest son, Squirt, dude, he was all like, Dad, what is up with the humans? And I was like, dude, I do not know. So, dudes, I am here to soak up the knowledge I can and bring that to Squirt. Now, if you dudes think you can help me out, everybody say, Awesome, dudes. You so totally rock. Wait, dudes, hold on. You don't know. Okay, dude, when the turtle says, you so totally rock, the proper response is, dude. So, as I was saying, you so totally rock. Dude. Epic. On to Squirt's question, dude. Numero uno. Squirt, dude. He asked me the other day, dude. He was like, yo, Dad, what do the humans do at the beach? So, what do you dudes do at the beach? Shout it out, dudes. What do you do? Swim, surf. Okay, dude, what about this? Where are my swimmers at, dude? If you love to swim, raise your fin. Let me see. You swimmers, dude, I'm gonna take you over to this side. In the benches, little dude, first row of the benches, black shell, a backpack on. Yeah, just keep swimming, no rush, dude. Hey, what's up, dude? Hi, what's your name? Wyatt, why, you like to swim, right, dude? Dude, when you swim, do you like swimming slow or fast? Dude, you got thrill issues. Just like me. I'll tell you what, just for you, let's see how fast I can push it, okay? We're going for the speed swim. Help me out, dudes. Everybody say rip it. Rip it. Roll it. Roll it. Punch it. Punch it. Yo, dudes, here I come. Check it out, dude. Whoa, dude.
Hey, Crush, watch out for the glass.
Aw, thanks, Hank. Wait, how long has that dude been there? Dude, where are my manners? I have been doing all the talking. Any of you dudes out there that got a question for the Crush Man? Raise your fin, dude. Who's got a question for me? It could be anything you want. Sweet, little dude. Blue shell, a lid on top, dude. Over here on this side. Yeah, dude, that's you. Hi, what's your name?
Aiden.
Aiden, what's your question, Aiden, dude?
How does turtles even hide?
How do we hide? Well, dude, we use our shell as camouflage, dude. Here, let me show you. How about this? All you little dudes, everybody close your eyes. I'm gonna hide. I'm gonna count to 3. You open them, see if you can find me, okay? So everybody close your eyes. Keep them closed, keep them closed. 1, 2, 3.
It's right there. Right there. I see it.
Go, that's not me. No, it's not. Dude, that's a rock. You dudes are better at that game than the Sharks, dude. Anybody else have a question? Raise your fin. Little dude, red shell. Back row sub-level, dude. Fin raised. Shaw. Hey,
Dude, turtle. Nathan.
I was like skipping right to the question. I like your style, dude. What's your question, Nathan?
Do turtles breathe out of their butts?
There's no easy way to put this, dude. But yes, dude. We actually call it getting the bubbles. Yeah. But the weird thing is, like, dude, I'll be honest, the water's so warm, we don't even know when it's happening, dude. All of a sudden, it just starts off, man. Yeah. It's just kind of part of being a turtle. Dude, who else has a less awkward question? Little one, over here you're on this side, like the first little dude in the row, all these different colors on the show. Hi, what's your name?
Ellery.
Ellery, dude, you're so intense. I love it, dude. Ellery, what's your question?
What ocean are you in?
The big deal. Dude, so here's the deal. Us turtles, we hang out in all of the oceans except the Arctic, dude. Yeah, all of the oceans that are like super warm sometimes and they got like amazing waves, we hang out until the water starts to get cold. Then we just move to the next part where the water's nice and warm again, dude. Chaw. Hey! Little Blue, Destiny, dude, come back over. Come say hello to the humans.
Ooh, hello there. Hi, humans.
Aw, Little Blue, Destiny, been having this epic combo. Now that you're here, Dory, you should teach him to speak well.
Destiny could teach them. She taught me.
Nice.
Only she were here. I am here. Wow. Well, that's freaky. Okay, everybody, repeat after me. Hello, whale.
Whaled it.
That was really amazing, everybody. I even heard some orca accents. That's super advanced.
Sure, dude's most advanced. But there's a whale right behind you, dude.
Dory, are you alright?
What do we do?
Go away.
Everybody say, go away, whale. Please. Pretty please. I think the pretty please did it. You said it. Awesome job, human dude. Sweet dude. Whoa.
EAC. Dad, come on. Time to ride the EAC, dude.
Curl away, my son. Human dude's familiar calls. I'm leaving you with this. Be good to the oceans. They will totally be good to you. And little dudes, keep using the word dude for the rest of the day. Your parents, they're gonna love it, dude. Parentals, you're welcome. Alright, dudes, later days, and remember you so totally rock!
Alright, everyone, give it up for Pride. Now, if you'd like to meet more Cross friends, please head upstairs. We have sea turtles, dolphins, and stingrays. Little ones stay seated. Parents come up front, pick them up from here, please. You're going to gather your personal items. Exit on the doors to the right. Have a good day.
Hey, this is the Amusement Archive. I'm glad you stuck around, watched this video. Hopefully you stick around and watch plenty more videos. I just want to know, what kind of videos do you guys like? Are you into the ride-throughs, walkthroughs, the tours of places? Are you into toy hunts for Disney stuff? Souvenir hunts at gift shops? I try to provide all that kind of stuff in these videos. Hopefully you guys like them. Also want to offer up, I got a free sticker here. It looks kind of like this unless I change the design, but you can check the description. Either email me, find me on Instagram, and send me your address. I'll send you out a free sticker. Definitely appreciate everyone watching my videos, and hopefully I can grow this channel and provide more cool stuff for everyone to watch. Later.